Okay, so before I do my face paint, I'm going to use this paper towel and conceal my nose with it. So first, I'm going to cut a little wide space like this. Make sure it fits on my nose. Okay, next, I don't have spirit gum. I don't know where it is. So off camera, I'm gonna glue this with my eyelash glue. And it sticks just like that. And yeah, this is how you want it to look. You might have a little bit trouble breathing if this is your first time, but I've done this a lot, not for a while, but yeah. Now, just wait for the glue to get a little bit dry, and then we'll paint our face. So off camera, I dipped my foundation brush into some water and applied it to this gray face paint. And now it is time to do the same thing. You want to apply it to the paper towel as well. And once you blend it in with the liquid latex, it's definitely going to look like that you really don't have a nose. So as you can see, there's still these edges of the paper towel that are still visible, which is where the liquid latex comes in. So I'm going to blend it out with my finger. Because when I use a sponge, it just doesn't work. This is going to make the edges blend in very well. And it won't be obvious anymore that I'm wearing a paper towel on my nose. And of course, let that dry. Let's see how it looks. The goal is to really blend out the edges of the paper towel I'm wearing, so it doesn't look as much like that I'm wearing a mask, for lack of a better word. So as you can see, the liquid latex is taking its time to dry. So I'm just going to tell you that with the liquid latex bottle, you want it like thoroughly, and I mean thoroughly sealed tight by the cap, because if you leave it open like this just a little, then the inside of your latex will dry out in a day. Happened to me. So I think what I was supposed to do was blend it right after I applied it on with some eyelash glue. So here I am compensating for it by putting another layer on another layer of face paint on my face, and I'm gonna dab rather than do brush strokes, and I'm including the edges on the prosthetic so it really blends in. I'll admit, this didn't blend in very well, but hopefully I can fix that. Okay, now it's not looking so bad. It's still not perfect, but with another layer of face paint, it should be all good. And you see, now it looks like it's really blended into my face that I almost don't have a nose. So time for my eye makeup. I might skip a little bit of it because I'm almost out of time, and it's the same makeup I did as Emily. So I just dipped my brush into this eyeshadow color from my Modern Renaissance Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette, And I'm going to put that in my crease. I'm going to put that in my crease and under my eye. Then I'm going to put this highlight on my eyelids. I'm going to do some black in my outer lash line. Hold on, there's a hair in my face. I think I might just make this the wing. I mean, I'm gonna try to. Okay, no, it doesn't want to. Some in my outer top lash line. Some of this dark silver in my inner corner. Finally got some liquid eyeliner, and because I have hooded eyes, I'm gonna do a very thin wing. Let me get closer for you. Let me wing it out just a little more. Okay, perfect. Curl your eyelashes. Add mascara to only your top lashes. So I got my fake eyelashes on, and my eyelashes are looking great. I mean my eyes. So I'm going to go back to this color that my brush is pointing at, and I'm going to use that as a blush. Because I forgot that Rosie wears some kind of blush. Hopefully it shows. Oh well, I tried, and I'm wearing a prosthetic. And that is how I do my Rosie cosplay makeup from Hazbin Hotel.